Okay, guys, so my husband came home from work today and said he saw something on TikTok, and I'm going to be 1,000% honest with you. I don't have TikTok. I'm
I don't
old.
either.
Okay, well, he doesn't either. But apparently somebody has
One
worked.
of my coworkers.
One of his coworkers watches TikTok apparently all day. So what is it? Caramel? Oh, no. Apple pie baked beans?
Yes.
Okay, so he saw something called apple pie baked beans, and of course he's like, we need to try it. So after today, I will be on for 3 weeks. And so, well, we had to go get the stuff. So right there, we have 1 pound of breakfast sausage and one less little pepper. And then a red pepper, as much as you want. It's supposed to have onions too, but my husband hates onions.
No onions.
Yeah, no onions are in this one. And then you get 2 cans, 28 ounces each of the original baked beans, and we drained them a little bit because what does the guy say in the video, Larry?
We're going to add our own
juice.
Yeah.
We're going to add our own juice. Not exactly sure what that's supposed to mean, but whatever. So we're putting our 2 cans of beans in here. Again, this is some TikTok video of some guy that says they're like the best beans ever. And you should have.
He says you will be a hit at your neighborhood barbecue.
Yes, you'll be a hit at your neighborhood barbecue. And let me tell you guys how many times we had to watch this video in the store to find the ingredients. The one thing we are missing though, what did he have? W sauce?
Yes, W sauce.
He had something called W sauce. I guess it's like a Worcestershire mix, but it was way thicker and definitely had way more stuff in it. So if we like this, we might order it. It was like $9.99 online.
Yeah.
From the company, it's actually called W sauce, so it's, yeah, definitely not
I'm sure
just
there's
regular.
plenty of people out there that know exactly what it is.
Probably, I don't know. So anyways, so we're gonna finish cooking that up. We have our beans, and then you guys, literally this is what we're gonna use. I don't know about this. It's Lucky Leaf. This is exactly the same kind he used. 21 ounces of premium apple pie.
Apple pie filling.
Oh, apple pie filling. Okay, not the whole apple pie. Don't put the crust in there. But I saw some people where they like chopped up the apples. I will look at a lot of different recipes, but we want to do it exactly like the TikTok one, and he does not cut up his.
He's on my foot.
This is what happens. That's how attached this dog is. Really? Oh my goodness. So he did not cut it up. A lot of people did. So I guess we'll just throw it in there so you guys don't want to see me shaky. Can you get a spatula or something? Because he said, remember when he said get all the goodness in there in the video?
Okay, hold that.
Okay, I'll keep holding it. Yeah, he said get all the goodness. But like I said, I looked at a couple different videos, but we want to do it exactly like the TikTok video so that his coworkers and him can try it. He also did it in like a cast iron pan, which we really need to get one, but I don't have one. Don't forget all the goodness.
Yeah, he said to get all the goodness out of there. So
Yeah, so we got to get all the goodness.
there's a lot of goodness. Oh yeah, look at all that goodness coming out.
Yeah. You got to get all the goodness out of the, let me see, did you get all the goodness out of the bottom? I think you still have some in there. I feel like he put his tongue in there and licked it out pretty much.
It did look like he. That's a little better.
Yeah, that's a little better.
Good enough.
Okay, so now we're just going to hold this off until that's done, and then we'll be back. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah, we're ready. So now he's going to dump that in here. So right in here we still have our 2 cans of original beans, and it's not turned on because I think it goes in the oven, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we have a can of the Lucky Leaf apple pie filling, and then this is a pound of sausage, and then red bell pepper. And so there are a measurement of ingredients you're supposed to use, but he said my husband has decided he's going to make it look like the guy in the video. So that's great because we've never made it. So what kind are you going to say what the barbecue sauce is? No, but what does he say? The cheap kind.
Yeah, the cheapest kind you can find.
Yeah, cheapest kind you can find. Doesn't matter. Just slather it in there.
That looks.
That looks like plenty.
Yeah.
So apparently we're not going to measure. I'm telling you, we watched this video 1.5 million times in the store.
Let's do the
And he
Worcestershire
just keeps
sauce.
knocking past me in the store trying to figure out how, what ingredients we needed. This is not the W sauce, so I don't know how much you should put in there of that.
That's definitely not the W sauce.
His was,
I hope
I
it
know.
doesn't mess it up.
I don't think it will, but I think it will be better if you buy the W
So about
sauce.
a tablespoon of mustard. Just put that there for now.
You didn't shake it up first?
That's awesome.
Yeah, you have to shake up mustard and ketchup. Oh, that looked gross. So definitely leave that part out. There's his tablespoon.
And then whatever kind of rub you want to buy.
Yeah, whatever kind of rub. What kind did we choose? The Frank's original, I don't know, red hot.
Yeah. We want a little bit of spice.
Yeah, a little bit of spice apparently, guys.
A little bit of spice makes everything nice.
Except for in my stomach. Ugh. All right, so we're just gonna put our rub in here, seasoning, whatever.
There we go.
All right, how much was that?
I don't know.
You have no idea. And then the brown sugar. If you guys have a thing on how you can keep your brown sugar from clumping, I can never get mine from clumping. I've read all the things, and he says a little bit of brown sugar, and I swear, guys, he dumps like the whole thing in there in the video.
That's probably good.
And then start stirring, and yeah, just get it in like the liquids, and it'll start breaking apart. So.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good Lord.
I know. I do it all the time. You have to just break it up. And then once it starts cooking and it's like gets more liquidy, like you can stir it again and it'll break apart.
Yeah, it makes all that yummy goodness together.
That I can't even imagine. Like, first of all, even if it tastes good, it's not something I'd just be like, hey, can we make that apple bean stuff again? Like, he says it smells amazing. I am not. I just know I'm not going to be a fan of this.
Ugh, I think the only thing I think that could ruin it is not having that W sauce.
Ugh.
And just using regular Worcestershire sauce. I can't even say the word. I hate that word.
I just don't see how this. I mean, this is like heart attack in a. Really?
Well, I want to.
This is like a heart attack in a bowl. I just don't understand who came up with this.
Well, saw. I mean, he was a healthy guy.
So he just probably came up with this one day and was like,
He's one of
let's
them.
put some apple pie in this so we can have dessert and dinner all in one.
He's one of them corn-fed looking dudes.
Oh God.
I grew up on a farm. I know how that is.
Okay, well now I think you need a lid, don't you?
Nope.
No lid?
He didn't put a lid.
Oh. And then what does he have the oven on?
He said between 250 and 275.
For how long?
Like 30 minutes.
Are you sure? Oh Lord help us, we're gonna watch the video again. Hold on. I'm gonna stop it because alright guys, I'm ready. I'm ready for him to tell me who was right.
You didn't say a couple hours.
I knew it wasn't 30 minutes. I knew it was a couple hours. That's why I questioned you.
So we'll do 275.
A couple hours?
Cooks hot, so let's do the 250.
That's crazy to me.
Get that going.
And then
Preheat.
how long are we going to cook it? 7 o'clock at night.
Well, I mean, we've already had dinner. This is something we can just try later when it's done, and then we'll have it for whenever.
I ain't going to have it. But all right, guys. So this is what it looks like. And, I mean, I guess...
Looks yummy.
Ugh, I don't even know. So, I don't know.
in my belly.
Ugh. So this is what it looks like. And apparently we're going to put it on... You put it on 250 because our oven cooks hot.
Yeah.
And then I guess we're going to put it in for like 2 hours. We'll probably check it after an hour, don't you think? And stir it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll put it... But we'll show you when we're done, and I'll let him test it because I just don't think this is going to be good to me. No. But, all right, guys. Let's see how it turns out. I feel like this is why you should cut the apples down. Because don't those look like big chunks?
That's all right.
I feel like it might have been better. So this is what it looks like, guys. How long did you cook it for?
2 hours.
2 hours on 250, right?
Yep.
This, I feel like...
Smells delicious.
I don't know. Maybe when you put the apple in your bowl, you cut it up. Because I just feel like nobody wants to eat a huge chunk of apple and beans.
Yeah, you can cut it with your fork or spoon.
Yeah, we'll get a spoon and try it so we can all see. I don't know.
That's gonna be hot.
Well, I know. And you're going to have to...
Trying to get me to burn my whole mouth?
No. But you're going to have to, like... Look, you're going to have to cut up the apple to begin with because you can't just have a whole
I'm
apple.
just trying...
You're not even try the apple in it. That's the whole point of it.
No.
We're
You
ready.
didn't try... I'm not ready.
You're not ready.
Back it down. Jeez.
Can I bring it up to you now?
No, this bad boy's gonna be hot. I gotta cool it off.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna burn my whole mouth off.
Okay. Okay, I won't put it up anymore. We'll keep looking at the big chunks of apples in beans and sausage. Like, it's just all does not seem to even go together.
All right.
Are you ready? Let me get your reaction, sir. Don't lie. No way.
Holy crap.
Really?
Babe, I'm not even playing.
All right.
Holy crap.
We'll get a new spoon for me to try. Don't put that back in there. Other people are going to eat out of it.
Fine.
You're about to go back for more.
It's not good.
Okay, now I'm going to have to try it, guys.
Babe, I am not even playing with you. I can sit here and eat a bowl of that right now.
Oh. Let me try it.
I'll get you a bite.
Wow, you're going to pick it out for me?
Yeah. Because you got to have sausage and some beans in there.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's a good bite right there. Cool it off.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my god, that stuff is so
Is it really?
good.
Oh, hot.
Yeah, you didn't blow on that. Right?
It is pretty good, but I feel like we have to have a piece of the apple to get the whole effect.
Oh, I'm sure. But still. Just
It's good.
that bite. Oh my
It is good,
goodness.
but let's get, like, see, here's a piece with an apple.
So,
Here, get my spoon again, please. Guys, I'm trying to do all this one-handed because he is not being very helpful. Okay, now I'm going to try it with the apple. It's definitely sweet. I'm so glad that we didn't choose to use, like, brown sugar or anything.
Yeah.
So that's one thing, guys. Like, they said don't use, like,
brown sugar barbecue sauce.
Yeah, brown sugar barbecue sauce, or you can choose whatever kind of rub you want. And we almost got a brown sugar rub. That would have been too much.
Yeah.
And I did see one recipe with sugar-free apple pie filling. But we didn't use that one because that's not what the TikTok guy used.
Yeah, no, this.
Oh, hot.
You burn your whole mouth out?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? It's not good with the apple?
I mean, it's not bad. What? You can try it, and then we'll be done. We'll not show everyone how much pigs we are. At 9:30 at night.
Okay.
Blow on it. It's hot. Very hot. Woo! I think we should take Lex some and see if she wants to try it. She's gonna think we're crazy. She already told us no. I told you. Doesn't matter how much you blow on it, it's still hot. So do you like it better with the apple or no apple? You don't care.
It's
You
good.
just like it.
Yeah, it's good all around.
All right, guys. Well, this is the TikTok apple pie baked beans.
And it is freaking delicious.
Okay, my husband said it's freaking delicious. It was so easy, too. So you guys will have to try it.